SigmaWit was founded in 2016 and we are located in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province. We have a general investment of 10 million and a plant area of more than 1,000 square meter. SigmaWit has abundant financial resources. As a professional smart electronic products, like thermometer hygrometer, smart meat thermometer, smart garage door opener, smart air quality detector, smart finder and so on supplier. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection and company running. In order to supply more satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got CE, FCC, Roche, FDA, UL certificates. We can help the clients with end-to-end services from product concept to mass production. Because we have an experienced R&D team, which can providing one-stop product solutions including industry design, software and hardware development, cloud services and app development. In addition to this, we also have standard manufacturing processes and strict quality control procedures to ensure a perfect connection between R&D and production, to make sure we can provide the finished products to meet the original vision to the customers. We are warmly looking forward to communicating with whom have any new ideas or concepts for their target products. Please contact us without hesitation.